Now understood? Yes, Abdullah, are you there? Now understood, it is on the here 70 के लिए आपकी FCD की वैल्यू आती है 152 एंड 80 के लिए आपकी FCD की वैल्यू आती है 136. As we are going to assume the FY, that is yield stress 250. Any doubt now? Anyone is having any doubt in the values of FCD here? Yes, everyone understood or not? You should join on time. See, for KL by R. KL by R is nothing but the lambda, that is slenderness ratio. So, आपको minimum value 70 कंसिडर करना है because आपकी जो FCD की वैल्यू आई थी, लैम्डा की वैल्यू आई थी, वो 76.86 आई थी. तो minimum value आपको 70 कंसिडर करना है. So, for 70 KL by R and for 250 FY, FCD comes up to be 152. And for 80, it comes up to be 136. See over here, it is 136 for 80. Now understood? Okay. So यहाँ तक क्या हो गया था सबका? E minimum, एज डिस्टेंस और एंड डिस्टेंस सबको मिल गया था 30. Everyone had completed up till here. Should I proceed further?
Yes.
Now total L you need to calculate, that is the total length. See your diagram, total length के लिए आपने जो value लिखी है, that we got from this formula, that is L effective plus 2 into E provided. That is the age distance और end distance. So age distance और end distance की आपको value कितनी मिली है? 30. और L effective you had got, that is 277.18. So total L आपको मिलता है 337.18 mm. Then width of lacing. Width of lacing you will get from the clause number 7.6.2. Again, this formula is there in your IS code. Uh, that is on the clause number 7.6.2. Refer your IS code. So width of lacing is denoted by B minimum. अब B minimum के लिए formula है आपके पास 3 into D. D क्या है? Diameter of the bolt. So diameter of the bolt कितना assume किया है हमने? Diameter of the bolt is 16. So 3 into 16, that is 48. We will take approximately equals to 60 mm. Then thickness of lacing, again the formula for thickness of lacing is on the clause number 7.6.3 of your same IS 800 2007. So thickness के लिए formula है 1 by 40 into L effective. So just substitute the value of L effective. So it is 6.92 mm. So you have to provide minimum at 8 mm. So solve up till here, and if any queries you can ask. These two formulas are there in your code. After completing, let me know. Yes, over. Yes, Neha, Rohit, Mohammad Sabir, completed up till here. Yes, what about others? All the others had also completed. Okay. Okay. Yes, Mohammad Sabir, tell me after completion.
Ma'am, in IS code,
हाँ,
it's written the thickness of flat lacing shall not be less than 1/40th of its effective length for
हाँ,
single lacing and
yes,
1/60th of effective length for double lacing.
yes, yes. First,
Here
yes.
we have double lacing. No?
Here we are double lacing, but we are doing the calculations for single lacing. All the calculations we are doing for the single lacing only. जब भी हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो हम सिंगल लेसिंग के लिए कैलकुलेट करते हैं। सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग में जो हमने स्पेसिंग कैलकुलेट किया था, सिर्फ स्पेसिंग ही हमने डबल लेसिंग के लिए किया, कैलकुलेट किया था। रेस्ट ऑल द कैलकुलेशंस वी आर कंसीडरिंग एज अ सिंगल लेसिंग ओनली एंड वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग मोस्टली डिजाइनिंग पार्ट हम सिंगल लेसिंग कंसीडर करके ही सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए हमने एल इफेक्टिव बाय 40 कंसीडर किया है। अंडरस्टूड इब्राहिम?
Okay, ma'am.
या
Yes.
ओके, शुड आई प्रोसीड फर्दर? यस, एवरीवन डन अप टिल हियर? यस, साबिर? Okay. So now see the diagram that you had drawn just now, that triangle one for the lacing. So उसपे से sin 45 देखो, sin 45 is opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite side कितनी है उसकी? A1 by 2 and hypotenuse is nothing but the L effective. So उसपे से आपको A1 की वैल्यू मिलेगी. So A1 की वैल्यू आपको मिलती है 391.99, that is approximately equals to 392 mm. So just calculate the value of A1. देखो आपको भी 392 मिलता है या नहीं? Yes, done. Everyone had got the value for A1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll check for the local buckling. Again, for the local buckling, you need to refer your IS code. That is clause number 7.6.5.1. So see the formula for the local buckling for the clause number 7.6.5.1. Angle alpha we are going to consider it as 45. So इसके लिए local buckling के लिए this condition is there, that is A1 by R1 should be less than or equals to 50, should be less than or equals to 0.7 lambda laced. Minimum of all these values, ये तीनों में से जो भी minimum value आएगी that you have to consider. अभी A1 कितना है आपका 392 mm एंड R1 कौन सा कंसिडर करोगे अभी यहाँ पे? अभी RXX और RYY में से जो भी मिनिमम वैल्यू है that you are going to consider for the R1. अभी RXX देखो कितना है? RXX है आपका 136.6 सेंटीमीटर और RYY कितना है? 28.3. सो दोनों में से स्मॉलर वैल्यू कौन सी है? 28.3 mm. सो हम R1 की वैल्यू कंसिडर करेंगे 28.3. So A1 by R1, A1 है 392 and R1 is 28.3. So उसमें से A1 by R1 का रेशो हमें मिलता है 31.85 it is less than 50, is less than or equals to 0.782 lambda laced. अभी lambda laced that is slenderness ratio की value हमें मिली थी 76.86. So that will be 53.80. So the smaller value is 13.85. So that individual channel section will not be buccal between the two consecutive lacing point. So इसमें से हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, जो हमारा individual channel section है that will not be buccal between the two consecutive lacing points. So solve up till here, then we shall check the buckling for the lacing bar. Now we are check for the local buckling. You can see the clause number 7.6.5.1. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Yes, done. हो गया यहाँ तक के सबका?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, what about others? All the others had also completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll check against the buckling of the lacing bar. That is again on the clause number 7.6.6.3 on the page number 50 of your IS code. So we lambda lacing bar should not be less than or equals to 145. So lambda lacing bar के लिए formula है KL by R minimum. So KL, what is KL over here? KL is nothing but 277.18. अभी 277.18 हमें काय की वैल्यू मिली थी? Yes, anyone?
L effective.
Yes, it is L effective. So L effective is K into L upon R minimum. अभी हमने B की वैल्यू कितनी कंसिडर की है 60 और T हमें मिला था 8. So उसमें से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू अप टिल हियर, उसमें से हम I Y Y और R मिनिमम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. बट बिफोर दैट यू सॉल्व अप टिल हियर. After completing, let me know. Yes, completed. Yes, Anis, Rohit, over up till here. Okay. What about others? All the others are also completed. Should I proceed further?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अभी
Yes,
इसमें
ma'am.
से हम क्या कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं? आई वाई वाई कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो आई वाई वाई के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? BD cube by 12 as it is a rectangular section. So B is our 60, D is our thickness is 8 by 12. तो उसमें से I Y Y हमें मिलता है 2560 mm square. And R minimum हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? R minimum is nothing but the radius. So R minimum is under root of I by A. अभी I हमें कितना मिला है? 2560 and area is B to D that is 60 into 8. तो एरिया हमें आर मिनिमम की वैल्यू हमें मिलती है 2.31 mm. आर मिनिमम कैन आल्सो बी कैलकुलेटेड बाय टी बाय रूट 12. सो थिकनेस इज अवर 8 बाय रूट 12. तो इस वजह से आर मिनिमम की वैल्यू हमें मिलती है 2.309. नाउ लैम्बडा फॉर द लेसिंग बार इज L effective upon R minimum. So L effective by R minimum लैम्बडा लेसिंग बार हमें मिलता है 119.99. So as in the IS code they are told you that lambda slenderness ratio for the lacing bar should not be less than 145. So here our value is 119.99. Means it is less than 145. So your design is safe for the buckling of the lacing bar over here. So solve up till here. And if any doubts you can ask. Yes, over. Yes, Reem completed up till here. Neha,
Yes,
everyone had
ma'am.
got the value for lambda. That is okay. 119.99. Okay, proceeding further for the transverse shear. Again, for the check for the transfer shear, you have to refer the clause number 7.6.6.1 of your same IS code, that is 800/2007, on the page number 50. So from that VT is nothing but the shear force. Total transfer shear force is VT. So VT के लिए formula है 2.5% of factor load. So factor load is given to you in the question. So 2.5% of the factor load, that is 1500. So आपको shear force मिलता है 37.5. So now transfer shear on the lacing bar. Transfer shear on the lacing bar calculate करने के लिए you are having the formula, that is the total transfer shear force upon number of parallel planes. So VT by N. So VT आपको कितना मिला 37.5. So just substitute the value of VT over here. And N is 2. अभी 2 क्यों कंसिडर कर रहा है? For 2 channels laced on both the faces. अगर 2 channels है that is laced on both the faces, we are going to consider the value for N as 2. और अगर 4 angle sections है laced on all the faces है, there also we are going to consider the value of N as 2. तो N2 कब कब कंसिडर करोगे? अगर 2 चैनल सेक्शंस प्रोवाइड किए हैं और दोनों भी लेस्ड है और बोथ द फेसेस लेस्ड है, मतलब प्लेट से कनेक्टेड है, इक्लाइट प्लेट से दोनों भी कनेक्टेड है टू ईच अदर, then we are going to provide N as 2. And if suppose 4 angles are there that are again laced on both all the faces, there also we are going to provide the value of N as 2. तो यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर शेयर ऑन द लेसिंग बार हमें मिलता है 18.75 किलो न्यूटन. So do up till here. And if any queries you can ask. I hope everyone understood. Yes, understood up till here. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes, Mohammed Saad. Did you understood or not? Akshay. Yes, Saad and Akshay, are you there? Okay. Okay, good. Yes, completed. Everyone had done. Everyone had got the value, that is 18.75 kilonewton. Okay. Now proceeding further. Now see, this is your lacing system. Lacing system में यहाँ पे जो है, that is nothing but the transfer shear on the lacing bar जो आपने अभी calculate किया है, that is 18.75, and angle alpha you are going to take it as 45 degree, and F is nothing but the force. So F will be equals to 18.75 upon cos 45. Cos 45 is nothing but the adjacent upon hypotenuse. So F की वैल्यू आपको मिलती है 26.52 किलो न्यूटन. So now you need to calculate the value for FCD. So FCD के लिए वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. अभी लैम्बडा की वैल्यू आपको कितनी आई थी? लैम्बडा की वैल्यू आपकी आई थी 119.99. So 119.99 के लिए आपको FCD कैलकुलेट करना है. So उसके लिए स्मॉलर वैल्यू यू आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर एज 1110 एंड बिगर वैल्यू यू आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर एज 120. So आपको 119.99 के लिए FCD की वैल्यू मिलेगी 83.7 and AG is nothing but B into T. B is 60 and T is 8. So gross sectional area will be 480 mm square. So solve up till here. After completing, let me know. And if any queries, you can ask.
Then why you have considered that lambda SCD value?
FCD की वैल्यू आपको लैम्डा कितना मिला था आपको? लैम्डा आपको मिला था 119.99. तो वो लैम्डा के लिए आपको FCD की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है 119.99. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone had done up till here. FCD की वैल्यू मिली सबको 83.7.
Then
Okay. What about others? All the others had also completed. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So PD के लिए फॉर्मूला है AG into FCD. AG is nothing but the gross sectional area जो हमने अभी कैलकुलेट किया है, that is 480. और FCD आपको मिला था 83.7. उसपे से PD आपको मिलता है 40.17 किलो न्यूटन. It is greater than the force that you are calculated about, that is 26.52. So here your design is okay. So do up till here. Then we need to calculate for the bolted connection. Yes, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for bolted connection, VDSB. VDSB क्या है? Yes, anyone from you? What is VDSB? Yes, anyone? What is VDSB? There is no revision, I think. Get study.
Design strength of bolt.
Shear strength of bolt. So the formula to calculate the shear strength of bolt is what? VNSB upon gamma
FU.
NB. Yes, VNSB upon gamma NB ना. तो VNSB
Yes,
के लिए
ma'am.
फॉर्मूला क्या है?
FU upon root 3
हाँ
under bracket NN into
हाँ
A
हाँ
ANG plus NS plus
into ASB.
AH.
Yes, correct. So VNSB के लिए फॉर्मूला है FUB by root 3 NN into ANB plus NS into ASB. So VDSB will be FUB by root 3 NN into ANB plus NS into ASB upon gamma MB. अभी FUB is our 400. So 400 by root 3 NN is 2 into A and B के लिए फॉर्मूला है 0.78 into pi by 4 d square. D is nothing but the diameter of bolt. So diameter of bolt हम 16 ले रहे हैं, इसीलिए 0.78 into pi by 4 into 16 square upon gamma MB. Gamma MB क्या है? Partial safety factor, that is 1.25. So आपको VDSB के लिए वैल्यू मिलती है 57.95 किलो न्यूटन. Now VDPB क्या है? Bearing strength of the bolt. So VDPB के लिए फॉर्मूला है 2.5 kb into d into t into fu upon gamma mb. So 2.5 kb is 1. We are going to consider it as 1 into d. D is nothing but the diameter of the bolt, that is 16. T is thickness, that is 8. और fu की वैल्यू है 410 अपॉन gamma mb आपको मिलता है 1.25. So दोनों में से स्मॉलर वैल्यू वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर. बियरिंग स्ट्रेंथ और shearing strength में से स्मॉलर वैल्यू इज 57.95. दैट इज ऑफ द shearing strength of the bolt. So number of bolts कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? फोर्स अपॉन shearing strength of the bolt. So फोर्स कितना मिला था? 26.52 और shearing strength of the bolt आपको मिलता है 57.95. That is approximately equals to 0.45. That is approximately equals to 1 volt. Understood? Any doubts in this bolted connection? Already we had solved many problems for the bolted connection. I hope everyone understood. So solve this for the bolted connection. If the meeting gets over, rejoin again for few minutes. Rejoin immediately. Last 2 minutes are there. If the meeting gets over, rejoin the meeting again for 2 minutes. For few time. After completing, let me know. Last 100 is there, so rejoin the meeting again for a few minutes. We need to complete this sum by today itself only.
Your voice is lagging.
Rejoin the lecture again for a few minutes.